People all across the world, people from Africa, people from US, Dubai, like name any country, a particular student was from there. The online side of it, I always thought online is going to be much more easier. You can just lay back, finish your exams and your classes whenever you wanted to. But then later, as MAHE made it more difficult and like it showed you through how it takes you through particular classes, attending classes on time and all those, it made me understand the importance of it. Being from both the, again, as I said, professional and the education side, it's a bit more hard to manage it. Second one being building connections. Third one, the number of opportunities it's opened up for me. So I wasn't from a business analytics or like from a data-driven standpoint of working. And then later, once I persevered the course, I was able to understand that, hey, listen, data is the new oil and people are behind that. So I was able to tap into that particular field. I was able to make a different job change within my organization, which actually did boost my career, my pay grade, my capabilities and my skills as well. So it helped me move from a non-technical to a proper technical kind of role. And yeah, it made me like actually enhance my career and my confidence along with it. The surprising part was the number of people that turned up, because initially I thought the people might be a bit low. And the diversity of the students was tremendous. People all across the world, people from Africa, people from US, Dubai, like name any country, a particular student was from there. So it does not just confine you to your space, and it doesn't matter if you are just working simultaneously.